Rubbing ice cubes for jawline and teeth clenching? Not so fast. I know ice rolling is everywhere right now. Ice is actually very good for reduction of swelling and relaxing the muscles temporarily. But teeth clenching, that is usually stress or bite related. Ice, no doubt, can calm your jaw, but it won't fix the problem that is actually causing that clenching and teeth grinding. With ice, you're just treating the symptoms, not the cause. Ice won't fix the teeth grinding issue. Your right diagnosis and the right treatment will. If you wake up with jaw pain, tightness, or sore jaw, then it's time to look deeper and consult your dentist.